and Assalamualaikum to all. It's nearly already 1 week and more, I think, after you having your 1 week midterm break, isn't it? So I hope that you will come with fresh mind and fresh brain, and you will eagerly uh, try to learn our new subtopic, and we will continue this semester until all. And that's why I hope that you use your 1 week holiday or break with useful thing, just as you study and then do revisions, try to do a lot of exercise and etc. And I am very happy when there is some of student WhatsApp me and asking about example in your previous slide, and then there is also question from past year, which is your friend asking me how to do and etc. So although it on your midterm break, I'm very surprised that some of students occupy their time with study. So I hope that all of you will make this as example that you need to notify your friends are trying to do best in their study. So why don't you? So you are similar, just a similar human like your friend also. So why they can try to occupy their time for their midterm break to do study, and they WhatsApp me to ask a question. And for your information, one of your friend also WhatsApp me. I don't know whether she is from Malaysia. I didn't check yet, but she WhatsApp me at 1 a.m. in the morning Malaysia hours. So I don't know, maybe last time when I'm student, I like to study at night. So maybe she's also like that. So that's why when she WhatsApp me, I directly reply all the question. I try myself, although I already in bed because I already sleep, but when I got WhatsApp, I don't feel like why these students disturb me at my bedtime. It's already 1 a.m. in the morning. But it is twist. When I receive those WhatsApp, I feel like, oh, this student is really try her best in her study. He try to understand the question, the example given. So she cannot find by herself, maybe, I don't know, but instead she asked me directly via WhatsApp. I didn't feel disturbed at all. So I try wake up and I reply her WhatsApp and try to discuss with her. So this is what I really want from all of you. So please to do your best in your first semester, in your first year, and don't only for your first year, but because this is the first step for you to get the best result and best pointer for your degree and bachelor. So that's why if you didn't start now, when you're going to start? So if you want to achieve something, you need to start it from now. So I don't want to mumble again, and it will take a long hours for this video to record. So I will directly go to our point, which is we continue our next sub-chapter. But before that, I just do a few revision on the last topic, which is representations of Boolean expression. This one I already covered in our previous video, and you can see that there is two different only, and for SOP and POS, the big difference is under SOP, your variable will be 1 or true. For your variable over here like this, it will be a true or the value is 1. But if let's say you have bar, so your variable will be 0. While for POS, I show you this first, so you can see the big difference between SOP and POS. For POS, your variables will be bar for the true, and it is not bar. Is it not bar? So your variables, it will be 0. So you can see that it is vice versa. This is the point exactly what I want you to see between SOP and POS. And another one, which is under SOP, you're going to look into your output 1. For POS, you're going to look into your output as a 0. And that's already two difference. So now another one more thing is on the representation. For SOP, you can see over here, for SOP, you can use sigma notation. This is for SOP. While for POS, you can use the pi notation. So sometimes if let's say you were given only this Boolean expression, you will straightly know this is POS. That's why you need to have a different in representation. You cannot have pi for SOP because you will be confused how to make it different. So directly, if let's say you were given the equation with the pi, so you will know it is POS. If you were given with the sigma, it will be SOP. So I repeat again, there is two, which is SOP and POS for your Boolean expression. And for SOP, you will get true for your variable. And for bar variables, it is A bar, B bar, C bar, or etc. You will get 0. It is not the output, it represents as 0. Not get, sorry. So it will be represent as 0. And it vice versa with POS, it will be bar variables equal to 1. And the normal variable will be 0. And another one is on the output, which is 0 POS and 1 for SOP. So that's on the different. And another one in the representation, which is sigma notification for SOP and pi notification for POS. Now you clearly understand all the differentiation between SOP and also POS. This is just a revision on what we have learned. So there is also something like, let me show you on Boolean expression. Under SOP, A bar, B, C bar. It's represent as A bar equal to 0. So it will be 0, 1, 0. So another one is, it is plus over here, 1, 0, 1. And over here it is 1, 1, 1. So what is the meaning of x equal to this? It is means when you have this one is your output. It depends on what variable that you want to use or what is the question given. It's similar to your output. So your output, as I mentioned, for SOP, it will be equal to 1 for all of these representation. So at 0, 1, 0, you will get 1 for your output. You will get 1, 0, 1, output is 1, and 1, 1, 1, you will get 1 for your output. For the rest, like 0, 0, 0, you will get 0 as the output, and etc. So I hope that you understand on how you get 0, 0, 0, 0, and etc. Because you have 3 variables. So 2 the power of n, which is n refer to your numbers of variables, it is 3. So you get the possibility of 8, which is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1 until 1, 1, 1. So over here your output will be having as 1 only for these 3 notification give here. For these 3 Boolean expression, you will get the output as 1. So that means that you have another 5 possibility. So all these 5 possibility left will be a 0 for the output. Okay, is it clear? That part for number 1. So now I jump for number 2. So under SOP, you are having a sigma notification, right? So for your sigma notification, you will be come out like this. So what is the meaning of 2? What is the meaning of 5? And what is the meaning of 7? So over here, you can see that this is ABC. What is the meaning of all this? This is the meaning of your variables. You will be having 3, which is A, B, and C. So suppose you're going to have 2 the power of 3, which is 8 possibilities, isn't it? But you have here 1, 2, 3 possibility. You will get the output as 1. Basically, it is similar, but ignore this first. So what is the meaning of 2? 2 in the decimal, you convert it into binary, you will get 0, 1, 0. Isn't it? So for 5, this is decimal, you're going to convert to binary, you will get 4, 1, 0, 1. And lastly, 7, you will get 1, 1, 1. For this possibility, you will get the output as 1. Why is 1? Because it is SOP, because it is a sigma. So over here you have 0, 1, 0. It's similar like this, 0, 1, 0, and 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, and over here 1, 1, 1. Basically, this having similar Boolean expression, only different in notification. So from here, let's say you were given only the question for question number 2. Let me delete first. So if you were given only this without this Boolean expression, you will be asked, can you convert it into the Boolean expression by given sigma notification here? So what you're going to do is you need to put it like this. So first you will get A bar, B, and C bar. So your F, your F or your X depend on the output representation. You will get A bar, B, C bar. So I hope that you know what is SOP. It is a sum of product. You're going to know that it is on AND gate, and then you will plus. So after that, it is 5. 5, you will have 1, 0, 1. It means that A, B bar, and C. So you have another one, so you plus. It is 1, 1, 1. It shows that it's A, B, C. Then you get 5 marks. Simple. So let me jump to another examples on your POS. For your POS over here, you have the slightly different in the representation, that you can see that it is plus inside, and then you have the and which is multiple after that. So from here, you will be use the different part which is using this. If A, it will be 0, different from here. So please make sure you know on this. For B, it will be 0, and C bar, it will be 1. A bar, it will be 1, the rest is 0, and then over here, A bar is 1, B bar is 1, and then this one is 0. As you were given, you have 3 variables, you're going to have 8 possibilities. So these 3 possibilities, 1, 2, 3, will be your output 0. For POS, it will be output 0. So what is the meaning of all this? It's similar to this pi notification also. 0, 0, 1 will be 1. 4, 1, 0, 0. This is 4. And then 1, 1, 0, it will be 6. So you're going to represent it like this. Easy. So same also over here. If you get 1, 0, 0, 1, you will get A plus B plus C bar, and etc. So that's why I asked you to do all the exercise given. Try to do it, and if you having difficulty on do any exercise, not only in the given exercise in your module books or in your slide, you can WhatsApp anytime you want. So let's move to the next topic on your converting standards of Boolean expressions, whether it is from SOP to POS or vice versa, POS to SOP. So what you're going to learn here in your converting, also you're going to look into a new truth table called SK maps and etc. You're going to look into a new versions of maps. But basically, if you have the basic strong knowledge in truth tables, you're going to make it simple. So converting standard from SOP to POS, you're going to look into this table. But basically, I'm not preferring much on this, but as long as you understand how the step for you to convert. So let me jump to the step. So first step, you're going to do evaluations for each product. So the example is you need to determine binary numbers of each product term. And then the second step, you're going to determine all the binary numbers are not in the step 1. Because first of all, you're going to look into SOPs. SOP normally it will be the output as 1, isn't it? So if let's say you have to the power of n, let's say you have, I give you the simple example, 2 variables, you're going to have 4 possibilities. If your SOP equation taking only one, let's say f equal to a, b, so only whenever a1, b1, you're going to get your output as 1. So the rest, you have another 3 left, isn't it? Because you minus, you get 3. Another 3 possibility, this one is on the step number 2. Determine all the binary number not in the step 1. So this 3 possibility is 0, 0, 0, 1, and 1, 0 if you have only 2 variables. So after you get this possibility, you go to the step number 3. Write equivalent sum term for each binary number from step 2. Because over here you already get, and express in the POS form. So from here you will get using POS. POS 0 is bar, right? So you will get a bar plus b bar, and then we will multiple with another one, a bar, you plus with b, and then multiple, you will get a bar. Oh, sorry, over here 0 is bar. Dot. See, I wrongly do it. 0 is not bar. 0, 0 will be b plus a. And then 0, a, 1 is bar. See, I already mistaken. B bar. And then multiple. 1 is bar. So a bar plus b. So this is your POS. This is your SOP. So something like that. But this one is I just give you the example from mine. So let's check the example given in this slide. So if let's say you were given this example, convert the following SOP aspiration to an equivalent POS expression. So please bear in mind this is SOP. So you will first do the first step. You will be having 8 possibilities, and over here you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 for SOP. So the rest 3 possibility will be your POS. And over here you can see you will be using the SOP first. So a bar will be 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. So there is another one, another tree, which is on the second step, which is over here. This one is your SOP. SOP I represent is SS, okay? So just to make it short form, please make sure you understand it. So another one is 0, 1, 0. This one is S. 0, 1, 1. 0, 1, 1. This is S. 1, 0, 1. This is S. And 1, 1, 0. This is S. So if you're going to draw the F output, S over here will be 1. Like this, and the rest will be 0. So what you're going to do with your 0, you're going to use your POS. This is how you're going to convert from SOP to POS after you notify the SOP. So you just pick the one that having the value of 0 for the output, or the one that not in the SOP representation. So for the second step, this one is similar with what I did before. And the second step is this one, similar also. You will notify this is the output of 0. You're going to do the POS. So for POS, I don't want to show it first. Okay, over here. Where should I draw? Let's say over here. I give you the space. Over here you will be having 0, 0, 1 for the output of 0, okay? So you get 0, 0, 1. If you want to convert it into POS, you will be doing the A equal to 0, A bar equal to 1. So your POS for 0, 0, 1, you will get A, B, C bar. So this is the first one. Second one, this part, you will get, oh sorry, this one is plus. Don't forget to do that, because this is POS. It's different with the SOP. And then you multiple, you have another one is 1, 0, 1 for this one. 1 will be A bar plus B plus C. And then multiple, because you have another one, which is for this one, you will get 1, 1, 0. 1 is A bar plus B bar plus C. So this is your equation for your POS. Let's check the answer. Is it correct or not? So yeah, it is correct. Similar to what I show here. So now you have another exercise. If you are given like this is the simplify of your Boolean expression. You can see over here you didn't have B, and over here you didn't have A for the variables. So that's why first thing you need to do, not doing the step of SOP, but you need to make it standard SOP. Means that you need to have all the part with the variables into standard SOP. You can see over here. So please check back on how you're going to do the standard SOP. This one you already learned in your previous class also. let's say over here, I give you only the example at the beginning, which is a C bar. So you will make it into standard. You're going to make it like this because you're missing the B, right? So you will be doing this. This one is equal to 1, isn't it? Please check your Boolean rules. So you will be multiple with A, C bar. After that, you will get A, B, C bar plus A, B bar, C bar. This is only for here. After that, you're going to make it this for standard SOP. So you will get like this, and then this one is for this one for the standard SOP. You please try to do it because you're going to play around with the rules, 12 Boolean rules. So after you convert it into standard, then you're going to look into step 1, step 2, and then step 3. Step 1, you need to do what? SOP. Over here, you will get 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, and then 0, 1, 0. As this is three variable, you have a 8 possibility. So over here for your SOP, you get only 3 possibilities. So there is another 5 possibility for your POS. So you can draw your truth tables if you're not familiar yet with the binary. But for me, I can just straightly do the POS. This one is your output for POS. It will be having of 0, 0, 0. And then 0, 0, 1. Another one is 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. 1, 0, 1. And another one is 1, 1, 1. So this is another 5 possibility because you have 8, right? To the power of n, which is 3 variables, you get 8. So let's check your answer over here. This is your SOP. And then you will get another 5. Show it here. So this is another 5. So you will change it into POS. So don't make it confused because first this one you're going to use SOP, which is A equal to 1, A bar equal to 0. But when you go for your step number 3 over here, you're going to use your POS, which is A bar equal to 0. POS, you will do like this. A equal to 0, A bar equal to 1. So you can see this part different, right? So I hope that you will remember it. So that's why you will get this as your POS. Simple and very easy to understand. So now we go into another subtopic, which is on Boolean expression. So please, maybe you can take a pause and go for a drink and take a break and continue with this slide. So over here in under Boolean expression and truth table. So Boolean expression and truth table, before that, this is how you're going to convert from SOP for POS, and vice versa, you're going to do similar also. So please try to do it how you're going to convert it POS to SOP too. So under Boolean expression and truth table, you have several steps which is determine variable and combinations of binary values, which is your input, and then convert expression to standard, whether it is SOP or POS. Find the binary values, whether it is SOP or POS, also depend on the question, and that the remaining combination will be using this one is quite similar to the previous, so please ignore this step, I think, because it is similar step, only that is added on the standard and also in the truth table. Okay, straightly go to here. This is a standard SOP truth table. Develop a truth table for the standard SOP. So it's just a similar, which one over here you have the SOP aspirations, which is you have 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, and then 1, 1, 1. How are you going to develop your truth table? Normally, if you have 3, you will do your, sorry if it ugly, I'm not good in drawing. So this one is A, B, C, this one is your output. So you will have 0, 0, 0, in decimal is 1, 0, 0, 1, in decimal is, sorry, decimal is 0, decimal is 1, and then 0, 1, 0, decimal is 2, 0, 1, 1, decimal is 3, 1, 0, 0, in decimal is 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. So like this, and you look into only 3 possibility, you will get 1 because it SOP. So 0, 0, 1, you will get 1, 1, 1, 0, get 1, 1, 1, 1 over here. So the rest, it will be output of 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So this is your truth table. So this is how I show it, and you go step by step with this one. So first, you're going to look into how many variables. You will get 8 possibility, and what binary value makes the product term 1, which is SOP. The output will be get 1 when first you will have this one, and then second this one, and third this one, similar that what I showed you before this. Okay, why there is this one? It's make it confused. Okay, next, I think you can ignore this part because it's directly, basically from here you will get the output of 1. So then you can just fill in your truth table like this. The rest is for your POS. No need to look into first. I can give you an example like this. 0, 0, 0, 0 is A. For your POS, A plus B plus C. Another example for your POS, A plus B bar plus C. Another one, A plus B bar plus C bar. So, and the rest, I just give you the example if it is on POS. So next, is it similar? Yeah, the similar thing. So from here, I already show you, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I need to make it because over here you have the similar thing, which is POS. You're going to convert it into truth table. A bar. Okay, let me do it over here. A bar plus B plus C bar, and last one is A bar plus B bar plus C. I hope it's correct. Please check it also, because sometimes me also get confused when we want to twist our mind when we deal with SOP, and then we need to make it POS. Although we know the theory, which is for POS, A will be a 0, A bar will be 1. Okay, you will get like this, and you will do similar step. And when you get like this one, you have the 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. Is it correct? Okay. So you just draw the truth table like this. So it's similar to what I did here. Easy, right? So I hope that you can score in your test too, because it's easy. Please try to do many exercise so you will make it familiar. Because example given by on your slide is just a simplest one. Normally in your test and also in your final exam, you will be not directly given the standard expression like this, but of course it will be like tricky one. You need to make it standard first. So let's move. So there is exercise. Please try to do all these exercise similar like this. This is the one that I mentioned. So you need to make it standard first. This one you have 4 variable. For your truth table, you will be having 16 possibilities. You need to the power of 4. So your truth table will be bigger than previously. So this one also you have A, B, C, D. Okay, please try to do. And I hope that you can check your e-learning. Some of you did not submit your lab 1, I think so. Please submitted. Don't and withdraw. Make sure you click submit. I don't want repeat it again. Didn't submit for your you didn't submit because I don't want to take any it's not fair for all your friends, because I already postponed too many times before this on that submission. Sorry, I always do some interruptions in our class. Okay, on your determining standard expression from a truth table, I think maybe I need to stop first for this video. It's already too long, and I will make it another video for your next class. We just until here, okay? So next class we're going to continue on the determining standard expression for a truth table. So thank you for your listening. Please make sure you have a safe environment. Don't go out. There is no necessary for you to go out unless your mother asks you to buy something at just go to supermarket, not going to shopping malls. So thank you and having a good day. I hope that this COVID situation will be solved as soon as possible, because I really want to meet all of you. if let's say until this semester we cannot meet, maybe after next semester, although I'm not yet become your lecturer because I'm not going to teach another subject, I always teach digital logic and also HPDP, which is when you are in the third year. So maybe you can drop by to my office. Why I'm talking about that is too long to take. Just because I'm thinking it's very hard for me to for this COVID situation. So bye and having a good day. Bye bye.